Hi there, I'm Michael for Tailspin Tools. Today I'm working on a trestle table and I've reached a point where I've got to cut the through-tenons on the main stretcher. I have to mark it out and carry those marks all the way around the piece. I'm going to do that with Tailspin Squared collinear marking tools. Let's get started. We have our mark for where our through-tenon is going to land. We just need to carry that mark all the way around this piece. We're going to do that with Tailspin Squared. All I need to do is put my pencil on that mark, slide my tool into contact, and start marking. Take the second tool, slide it into contact with the first, and let the calibrations do what they do, which is make sure that all of these marks line up all the way around. All we're doing is switching tool for tool and continuing to make our marks. As long as we don't allow the tools to shift, these marks will guarantee collinear marking all the way around the part. These lines are dead on every time. Tailspin Squared allows me to carry my marks all the way around the workpiece. It's less stressful, it's easier, and it's more accurate. Thanks for watching.